1. Excessive depth interval coaching. To max out the benefits of your workout, intensity is the important thing. HIIT excessive depth interval coaching entails quick intervals of recreation at nearly your maximum effort, adopted by means of longer recovery durations. The secret to HIIT is in how hard you're employed throughout your severe intervals. The result? Your body's fat-burning abilities shoots up and the kilos melt away. So your 20-minute exercise finally ends up burning more calories throughout the day than a long, handy jog around the block. Robin, trainer at Soul to Soul Academy, suggests HIIT forces your muscle tissues to work tougher, burn more fuel, participate in better. It can be a shrewd approach to support you reduce weight rapid. 2. Force training. It can be a false impression that doing weights bulks you up. It correctly also helps you slim down and revs up your metabolism permanently. So head to the weight room, and when you think like quitting, ask yourself why you began. The key to shedding kilos is actually to build muscle mass. Go on, work out with weights. Yet another option is circuit coaching, which entails relocating speedily from one recreation to the following, and burns 30% extra calories than a usual weight workout. It blasts fat and sculpts muscle, burning up to 10 energy a minute. 3. Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar, some of the extensively practiced and common yoga asana, certainly focuses on quite a lot of constituents of the physique and work wonders with weight reduction. The term actually interprets to solar salutation, and includes a series of 12 extraordinary poses encompassed in a single, including the prayer pose, a head bend and the bhujangasana. It helps reinforce your skeletal procedure and ligaments. Being a first-class solution to preserve the physique energetic, it also aids in lowering stress and anxiousness. In case you hold breathing inside and outside for the duration of the poses, it helps you lose more weight. 4. Strolling. Do you know that when you include half hour of brisk going for walks to your everyday activities, you might burn about 150 energy a day? When you wish to have to shed critical weight, going for walks would not even cross your mind. Well, it must. Going for walks is the simplest weight reduction undertaking, and low depth of course. If you're a beginner, start via running 3 days per week for a minimum of 20 minutes, after which gradually expand the frequency and duration of your walks, except you are strolling 30 to 60 minutes per day and 6 occasions every week. Now put on your jogging shoes, turn on the tune and walk off your weight. 5. Zumba. If the health club is not your thing, then just dance. Zumba is a think just right approach to support your health and a strong way of incorporating endeavor into your everyday pursuits. Zumba is all about loosening up and burning energy. No surprise, it has been located to help relieve stress, expand vigor and support force. It comprises vigorous pastime and high-intensity movement which helps sculpt the body. Sun R, the founder of Soul to Soul Academy, remarks, "Shake, shake, scale back, that is our motto. Earlier than you are aware of it, you can be losing tons of calories but your power levels will be soaring. In the midst of squats, twists, more than one dance routines and upbeat song, you can actually have enjoyable." 6. Swimming. Swimming workouts burn fat, trim inches and help you get superior, more healthy and more fit than ever. Swimming vigorously can burn as much as 500–700 calories an hour, whether you do a breaststroke or freestyle. It is a totally mighty type of endeavor for weight loss and firming. Swimming engages the entire fundamental muscle tissues, out of your abdominals and again muscular tissues to your arms, legs, hips and glutes. It can be your sole type of fitness but can with ease complement other exercises like strolling, and strolling is good. So go ahead, make a splash, drop some pounds and think excellent. 7. Masala Bhangra. Bid the monotony of exercising goodbye with this ridiculously fun type of dance that blends usual Bhangra moves with the dynamism of Bollywood beats. You can burn as so much as 500 energy per class, and it may be modified to the alleviation level of the participant, making it accessible to all ages. Since your arms do all of the dancing, it also strengthens the rotator cuff muscle tissues for your shoulders. All that higher physique action shapes the shoulders, tones arms and sculpts the back. Anyone who's grown up paying attention to the beat of the DHOL could have their feet tapping to this intense exercise. 8. Endeavor these abs by Muffin Prime. Abdominals, a collection together known as the core, includes the various interconnected muscle tissue that run up the back and stretch all the way down to the butt and the entrance and inside thighs, no longer just the fats that blooms over the top of your skinny denims. Listed below are weight reduction workouts with a view to maintain the love handles away. Crunches. Lie in your again with your knees bent, and your hands in the back of your head. Elevate your shoulders off the floor and curl your legs towards your ribcage, at the same time. Slowly, return to commencing position. 9. Squats. Cannot eliminate that extra fat around your thighs and butt? Worry not. Whilst you do squats thoroughly, you engage your complete reduced body and your core. Squats are one of the crucial nice bodyweight workouts to burn fats from the thighs and glutes, and get your minimized physique in form in no time. When you get accustomed to the normal style, you could alter the speed, maximize the reps, try new additions like leap squats, barbell squats, pistol squats, and challenge yourself. 10. Desi Jam Cardio. Desi Jam Cardio is truly non-stop cardio to non-discontinue music. Shape up with this mix of Bollywood, Bhangra and stomach dance, multifunctional. You cannot even tell you've gotten worked out. It is like a Friday night party, the place you roughly burn as much as 800 to 1000 calories, says Ms. Vigilankar, the proprietor of Soul to Soul Dance Academy. It is a full muscle exercise involving glutes, quads, abdominals, diminish again, chest and shoulders. So believe the beat, lose yourself in the action and dance off your weight. This cardio-centric category must be your new mantra to have some enjoyable